This trick is called Soggy Butt Muffin. Here's what it looks like. Alright, I'm going to try talking through this tutorial, so we'll see how this compares to the other videos that I do. Soggy Butt Muffin. Going to start in a 1.5. Like that. You're going to do like a figure 8, or whatever you call it. The thing where you go like that. So pinch right there, do a little spinny in, spinny out, extra spinny over, and bam, back into 1.5. So, boom, boom, boom. Next, you're going to throw this over your other hand. When you do that, you don't do that. You're going to throw it over, but kind of bring your hand with it. So it's in this configuration. Turn your finger in towards you. And then you're going to this hand is going to go under and you're going to roll onto this. So it's going to go under from a counterclockwise position. So it's going to go not like that thing. Okay? So your finger's still pointing towards you, but then you can bring it out and be like, you over there. Okay. And then go into a kamikaze. And don't do that. That's later. Okay, so from the kamikaze, you're going to do a similar motion to what you just did, except from a kamikaze. So you're going to go like that, point your finger towards you, roll counterclockwise, your throw hand counterclockwise under the yo-yo, and roll it onto this string. Bam. So now your hands, one should be pointing towards you, the other one away. Your non-throw hand is going to do a counterclockwise motion around the bottom of the yo-yo and all the way around, like a full loop. So it's going to be like that. Okay, and this is actually like a repeater. Like you can kind of keep doing this if you want. Let me see if I can from different angles. Okay, so go like that. Bam, 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 whoop-de-lala. Once you get those parts down, you can do them all together. So it's kind of a more fluidy motion. So like that, whoosh, and then it feels really cool. And you can say that while you're doing it. It could be like whoosh, and it makes it feel cooler. Whoosh. All right, now you're in a kamikaze again. You can just hang out here if you want. Just be like, yo, what up? It's kamikaze. And then you could be like, oh, that's a dismount. Whatever. Just kamikaze it like that. But not like that, because you're going to do the trick before that. You're going to pop it up and grab this with this thumb. Okay, like that. Now you're in a Houdini. Then you're going to do a tension hook, right? These can be hella frustrating. Okay. Make sure your string tension is good for the tension hook, because otherwise it can be super frustrating. Okay, now, gonna keep your thumb right here, roll that over towards you, back into a Houdini. Then you're gonna pop this thing off, go into an undermount, pinch your string right there, let it dangle like a bajangle. Then you're gonna dismount this and go onto this string right there. And sometimes when you do that, this string is always kind of already going that way, so it's a little bit easier to catch it. So, let me show that again. Pinch, drop. You should already be in that before you drop it. Look, there's a little twisty still. You can still aim for like right here. And it should be alright. Again, helps if your string tension is neutral. And wha-boom. And then you're going to do a switcheroo. Like that. Underpass. Open that up. Gonna go on. La da 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 da. Bam. Okay. Gonna go onto that string. See like that? And then you're gonna hook that string. And then you're gonna do a little wha-boom. Like that. Onto that back string, then hook that, bring it up, bring it back, still hooking it. Now you're going to throw the yo-yo over your throw hand, like behind your wrist. It can be a weird one when you're first learning it, but it's going to go like that. And then you're going to undo the little twist over your wrist, undo the twist, back over the wrist into the wrist mount. If you made it this far, you can be like, yay, happy, and then be like, fuck this mount. Okay. Next, from the wrist mount. Gonna be in it like this. You're gonna do like your dismounting, right? Everyone knows that. Pinch that, drop that. Take your thumb and put it on this side of the string so you can flip that shit over towards you. Then you're going to like hop the yo-yo down onto this little loop down here. So you'd be like, you can just like place it there if you want. Sure. Underpass it once. Then you're going to pop the yo-yo up over this string and land on the same string on the other side. I kind of use my thumb to like bend the string out. So be like boom, boom. Now you're gonna do that thing. Then you're gonna take this hand, put it in between these two strings, drop that, go like that, go like that, go like that, drop it, you're in a triangle, and there you go, Soggy Butt Muffin. Bam, bam, bam. Hop it over that string, do a little dance, and put your thumb in there, and you can kind of like grab the string or drop it or whatever, and you're going to dismount it by rolling it up and off of the string. So, up, and then drop this, and then this. You're in a triangle, bounce it out the back, it'll probably bind, because sometimes it's stupid like that, and there you go. There you have your Soggy Butt Muffin. You do it fast, show all your friends your Soggy Butt Muffin, and how cool it is. And all your friends will want a Soggy Butt Muffin as well. And you can pass them out, and you can lace them with and you can do green triangles to your heart's desire, pop that up, bind that Soggy Butt Muffin for days.